to the ingredients. Roughly chop your bacon, add it to it, and you're going to fry it till it's crispy. Remove the bacon, drain on some paper towels, and leave 1 tablespoon of that bacon fat that's rendered in the bottom. Add in a pound of ground beef, and you're going to brown and crumble until it is no longer pink. Now we season: minced garlic, onion powder, black pepper, green chilies, juice and all. Give it a mix. Continue to cook 2 minutes. Turn the heat off. Add in 1 cup of instant rice, 1 1/4 cups of whole milk, 10 ounces of condensed cheddar cheese soup, some green onions, about half the bacon that you cooked, and give this a mix. 1 packet of Dano's Mexi Ranch dip mix, and 1 cup of cheese fiesta blend. Give it a mix to combine it all. Spray or grease a 9x13 baking dish. Add your beef rice mixture to the pan, and then you're going to spread it out evenly. Cover with some foil, and you're going to bake for 40 minutes at 350. Put it in the oven. Woo! Take her out, and then you're going to add more cheese, like 2 cups worth. The remainder of your bacon to the top. And then you're going to put this back in the oven for like 15 minutes until it's all melted and bubbly. She's a bubbling. Now we're going to add the remainder of our green onions and some chopped cilantro. Let's eat. My God in heaven. Go on ahead and make your plate, baby. So good.